Hello, welcome. Welcome to Braehler Systems GmbH. My name is Klaus Michelberger. I'm the key accounter in sales of BraehlerSystems.com. I would like to show you one of our products which we have on display today. That's our standard CMIC series, starting from CMIC 1 to the next level product, CMIC Fish. Fish is a very special product where we have Braehler included and as well a tone signal for people which are visually impaired. We have as well an add-on unit which has then as well the ability of using an RFID card inside for identification of the unit. And to round the system up, of course, we have as well in that product line our D-Doll interpreter panel, which is capable of 32 channels with all the functionality with standard to Braehler in all the system settings. Whether it's 3 outgoing channel, whether it's 5 relay channels, the display, and with software additional capabilities of certain system functions. Last but not least, the new product in this series is our small DigiMic Mini, DCEN32 Mini 2. The main difference on this unit is the full metal housing in comparison with soft key buttons, and we have volume control, we have the different mode settings, and as the new via USB a recording functionality, and you put the USB plug inside, you record as long as you want, you stop the recording and then you take it out and have straight away your MPEG-3 file for further processing in your order. One of the products we developed further is from the old interpreter panel now to the new unit, which is the revised model fitting the new ISO norm, which has the feature again of Braille setting, which has the ability to enable the function settings of the audio signals being for the interpreter, listening to it if they are visually impaired. Of course, we have the timer and the clock, so the timer is running up and showing you how many minutes you have already translated in the system. I think that's all. For more information, please welcome to visit our homepage in www.braehler-systems.com. Thanks a lot.